So let's say you'd like to create a new Google site. If you're in Google Drive, you can click on the plus new button, and under more, a new Google site should be an option. When you click on it, it will immediately create a new site for you. Give the site a name. This is the landing page for the site. You can edit this text and format it a bit. That is how you create the new site. And now if you'd like to add pages to the site, click on Pages, and you'll see a little plus sign down here. You have a couple of different options. If you want to add a new page, click on the New Page button. Give the new page a name. And under the advanced features, you might be interested in giving this a custom path. Otherwise, it will just create a URL for you. I'm not going to give it a custom path. So now there's sample page. And now notice that in my pages navigation, I have my home page and I've got my sample page. And that is how you can create a new page in a Google site.